Hey guys, a quick update about my new glider. Here you can see the new ASG29. It's not new, it's a used one. It's from 2006 with 2,700 flying hours already. So really a used glider, but it's perfect for me to have an 18-meter class glider with my brother together. And there are also 50-meter wingtips available. So yeah. The glider has no sustainer engine, it's a pure glider, but yeah, that was within our budget and I think we will have lots of fun with it in the next few years. So let's get started to upgrade here the panel with my SteFly Open Vario Glide computer. We already repainted also the hood here with Nextel paint and the instrument panel with Nextel paint because I don't like the leather finish of the Schleicher interior. Okay, so let's get to work. Now we disassembled here everything, we cut out all these switches and wires. Then we also disassembled the seat pan so that we can remove some additional cables which we don't need. We can clean everything and start soldering here everything and crimping all these connectors. Let's see how far we will get the next days. Hopefully we will be flying in the next few weeks, so yeah, I'm looking forward to it.